Question 5 seems like a repeat of the first question. It's just a bit more complicated because you've got the squared in here. But the maths and the sort of the things that we're doing are virtually the same. So to start with, this one here, to get to that one there, we need to times by an x minus 4 and the 3x plus 1. To get from this one here to there, we're just timesing by the 3x plus 1. That's where a lot of people go wrong. And there to there, we're timesing by the x minus 4 all squared. So line 1 for your first mark is that. Then we're going to put numbers in, so we're going to put x equals 4 in. We'll figure out what that gives. That's going to make these two 0, and it'll help us work out what b is. Then we'll put x equals minus a third in. That would make this and this 0, and that will help us work out what c is. So b turns out to be, what does b turn out to be? Minus 2. C turns out to be 6. So then you might be struggling to try and figure out, well, what's the other number going to be? And there's ways of doing this. The way I would normally do it is I count the number of x squareds. Here, there are 18x squareds. Here, there are 3x squareds times by a. There's no x squareds at all from that bit. And here, there's just 1x squared times by c. So as you know that c is 6, you can now see that a must be 4. And that's it. We're done. Finished. 6 marks. Clearly I would use the calculator to throw those values in there. It was going to be minus 26 equals 13b on that line there. This line here is a bit tougher, isn't it? But it's 169 over 3c equals 338 over 3. So that takes a bit longer to get there, but just use the calculator.